Hello everybody. So in this video we are going to talk about the Pitot theorem. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, maybe Pitot or Pitot, whatever it is. So we are going to talk about that thing. Let's see the theorem and then we'll be doing a question on the basis of that theorem as well. So what is the statement of the theorem? That in a tangential quadrilateral, the two pairs of opposite sides have the same total length. What does it mean? The first thing is, what is a tangential quadrilateral? It's a very simple thing that if you have got a circle over here and there is a quadrilateral circumscribing it. Circumscribing means touching from outside like this. So it becomes a tangential quadrilateral. It means that all the sides of this triangle, of this quadrilateral is a tangent to this circle. Suppose the name of this quadrilateral is PQRS. So as per the Pitot theorem, PQ plus RS, that is equal to QR plus PS. That's a very simple theorem. It can be restated as that the sum of the lengths of opposite sides of any quadrilateral circumscribing a circle is equal. Sum of the lengths of opposite sides of any quadrilateral circumscribing a circle is equal. It means this plus this is equal to this plus this. And the proof is very simple. We have studied one property that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. It means we can say that this length is equal to this length. It means if this is x, this will also be x. Similarly, if this is y, this will also be y. It means if this is z, this will also be z. It means if this is w, this will also be w. Now over here, if you want to find PQ plus RS, what is that equal to? You see that PQ plus RS will be equal to w plus x plus y plus z only. In the same manner, if you want to find QR plus PS, that is also equal to w plus x plus y plus z. You can easily see that. So you see we have proved that PQ plus RS is equal to QR plus PS, and that's a very simple proof of the Pitot theorem. And the question on the basis of it we can do. So we have to find the perimeter of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle if the sum of the lengths of a pair of its opposite sides is 9.5. So if you know the Pitot theorem, you can do this orally. So you have got a circle and there is a quadrilateral circumscribing it like this. Circumscribing means touching from outside like this. Again, suppose this is PQRS. Over here, sum of the lengths of one pair of opposite sides is given. It means suppose this plus this is given. PS plus QR, that is equal to 9.5 centimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of this quadrilateral. That's very simple. Perimeter of this quadrilateral is what, guys? Perimeter of this quadrilateral PQRS, it is nothing but PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. Now you see over here, we already know, we have seen in the previous slide that if a quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle, then sum of the lengths of opposite sides, they are equal. So we can say PQ plus RS, that is equal to QR plus PS. And QR plus PS we already know. So we can say that the answer is 9.5 plus 9.5. That is 19 centimeter. So the perimeter of this quadrilateral over here is 19 centimeter. So that's all we needed to see in this video. Thank you.